Hey guys, back with another video all about the profitable niches out there that you can be in. But before I do that, please give this video a like and a subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. So with this list, this is going to be a list where there's a lot of affiliate offers for, because that just goes to show that it is selling and that these are very popular niches to be in, because if they have affiliate programs for them, then obviously it's a high selling point, right? You can create your blogs with these niches, you can create your sales funnel offers with these niches, or you can simply create your own products with these niches. So in order to make a sale, first off, your product or whatever you're selling has to fall into one of these three categories. If it does not fall in one of these three categories, then you have to make it fall in these three categories with your marketing methods, your marketing message. So the first one is going to be health. The second one is going to be wealth. And the third one is going to be relationships. So your product has to fall into one of these three in order to make a sale. If it doesn't fall in these three in your marketing message, it's never going to make a sale, because these are the three most important things that people want. They want to improve their health, they want to make more money, and they want to have better relationships, right? So in the health category, the top niche to be in is obviously health and fitness, weight loss. Those are really popular. You can find a lot of affiliate products on that. Instagram, you can see Instagram is full of fitness, health. On Pinterest, you can see that weight loss is really popular. So you can do some digging and on different social media platforms and see what is really popular that falls under the health marketing message, right? Other niches to be in is going to be in the make money niche. So make money via a business, or make more money via side hustle, or make money via investing. So these three are great niches to be in. So you can write a blog. So you could have a blog all about business, you can have a blog all about investing, you can have a blog all about side hustles, right? These are really popular niches to be in when it falls into the category of wealth for your marketing message. So the last one that falls under the relationship marketing message is going to be the niche in personal development. Personal development is huge right now. It's a booming market. You can see that Tony Robbins is really popular. Life coaches are very popular. There's a ton of life coaches going on right now. So with that, the personal development niche is really popular. So with that, these are the popular niches that you can find affiliate products for. You can create your own products for them also, but make sure that they do fall in the marketing message of the health, wealth, and relationships. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos just like this one, give this channel a subscribe.